Hit that like button and also subscribe.
Keith almost forget to start recording. I had to pull all this out. That's a different story, but I'm showing y'all how to do this steering wheel. You know, just in case y'all need to do it on the Volkswagen, at least my year. So, let me turn this around. There's these holes, one on this side and be one on the other side. You gotta stick like a screwdriver or something like that, small enough to reach behind it. And you have to find like this little pin thingy and move it to the side. Like you have to play with it. So you get it up and then you turn the wheel the other way. Oh man, when you make sure you do airbags, anything with airbags, you disconnect the battery and wait for about, I think it said 30 minutes, just wait an hour. Or if you know you go do it, wait till next day. But it's 30 minutes. Oh yeah. I got one side up. Let me mess with the other side. And just like that. Just plopped. It's this thing removing. From the back, you can't really see it. Let me see. Maybe? You see the hole? There it is. I don't know if you can see the thing moving back and forth. Yeah. Come on. You gotta play with it and there you go. And then, come on. Oh, that scared me. Okay, you have to move that. And that hooks on these things, so then it comes out. Then you carefully disconnect this. Somehow. Let me put this phone down. Alright, so this tool, I don't know what it's called, but triple square, that's right, the triple square, whatever. Anyway, found the size that fitted, just use a bigger one. Because Volkswagen going to be difficult. And then take it off. So I can do it with one hand. Are you busy?
No. Okay.
Maybe I need a breaker bar with this one. Or not. And make sure you don't mess with the steering wheel. Like, don't, when you take this off, don't mess with it. Don't, just don't mess with the steering wheel. Just take it off. A lot tight. Ta-da! That's how you take the steering wheel off. And putting it on is reverse step. Okay? Okay. Hold it. Oop.
Hold on.
Alright, like I said, reverse step. That's all you gotta do. So first you put the hub adapter for your vehicle. Get your new steering wheel if you prefer. Or use this old one or a new one or a stock one or a Fisher Price one, a spoon, whatever you want. Quick release is optional. See if I can do this with one hand. And then that's it. Make sure you put everything back together how you found it. But voila. New steering wheel, new wheel on. Like I said, quick release. Okay, you gotta make sure you put the center. Oh my god. You gotta make sure you put this on. Bro. That's kind of funny. That's kind of funny. It's dangerous, but that's funny. Hold on, guys. Put your Loctite on it. So you show, just to show you I could do it. Yeah, obviously that's why I make sure everything works before I just leave. I wouldn't just, you know, put it on and just walk out without actually testing it out first, but that would have been messy. Put it back in the hole. Whatever your vehicle is, use a torque wrench to torque it down to spec for your vehicle. Yeah. My assistant went inside. I gotta get a torque wrench. But I'm gonna torque it down and put everything back together. Don't mind the two thing. I'm just seeing something else out, but key. Only for the keys in it. Just to move the wheel. Okay. I need two hands. If my assistant was here to help me out, hold the camera. Oh my gosh. I think it's better with two hands. Okay. Steering wheel. There you go. Stays in place. There you have it. One day I make a new steering wheel. I got this steering wheel for like $25 at this thrift store in Kissimmee. $25. Yeah. So Kissimmee, it's a great thrift store. Y'all should check it out when y'all in Kissimmee. Down the street a little bit from Old Town. But yeah. I'm shaking the whole car. I know you can't tell. I'm shaking the whole car, but yeah. I can't do it one hand. I need two hands, but that's if you want to, you know, remove your old steering wheel, put a new one on. Like I said, the hub, if you get one for your car, quick release, I think will fit. It's a 6 holes one, so it'll fit. And the steering wheel, obviously, get a universal one or the 6 holes. There's not a horn. Like I said, this is just a steering wheel for now. I'll get one, a better one later on, but not right now. Thanks for watching. Try to pull it off. Use two hands. No. Yeah. No. Okay. Kind of grab it like this. Pull with your fingers upwards. Hard and pull out. There you go. Whoa, look at you. And then kind of lift it up. Like do the same thing, just reverse where you put it on. Yeah. Just get it on there. Push. Is it on there? Yes. Look at you. You go drive this one day? Definitely feels weird. It almost feels like I'm driving a go-kart a little bit. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of weird. Yeah.